Kaziranga Nakutate, Sochekana constituency. That is near Kaziranga. He is our candidate, Mr. Nelson Pancho. Okay, he is coming now. Number 5 naman Nindugalam no, Haraihan constituency tem. Kasi Pateman, Mate, ilitu APHLC Central Committee Vice President no, ilitu mani Purniman Hipi, alam ni Boy Julio. Women na tuwa Vice President no, late Purniman Hipi. Nasi, abang lagi dari kami, alam lihat tanah mana to. Nasi, number, okay, lagi Haraihan LC no. Number 3 that is from Bokajang LC. Bokajang LC pen. Let me start from Borjan constituency, Miss Martina Intigatharpi. I think Miss absent or present? Absent, no? Okay. Absent at all. Number 2, Mr. Bapuram Tera from Soropothar constituency. You are requested to come on the stage. Number 3, Mr. Anthony Bongrum from Deopani constituency. Anthony Bongrum, alam itu kalau Deopani constituency pero Richard Kha, Bathura Yedisipu. Iltum Hayate Buthurume Atisipu. Number 4, Mr. Rajesh Kishore, Vice President Central Committee from Nilip constituency. Number 4, okay, number 5, Mr. Mondok Singh Inti from Dwarpaburi constituency. Mondok Singh Inti, Dwarpaburi constituency pe no, they thought dono mara natben alang ni thudum bango, alang ni yelode. Nale to Richard Kha. That is Mr. Pranjal Crow from Bokajang constituency. Mr. Pranjal Crow. Kichi asokyo lain mo Bathura ini mo lagi. Ini alam ni Bacchoro ni. Lalu Bokajang LC pen no, lapen na last LC. That is from Wathatlanso LC. Wathatlanso LC pen. Let me call from Dwaramla constituency. That is Mr. Loki Timung. Loki Timung from Dwaramla constituency. Nanduma, oh yes, this is on the back side. This is coming now, yes. Alam li dance space on Loki Timung. That is from Dwaramla constituency. Alam li bangbong lo. That space to one ke nahi pan. Ato ito may rili chara na dekha. Alam li Loki Timung. Loki Timung. Okay, and I think he is the Vice President from Wathatlanso LC. Number 2, Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Yes, he is on the back side. The last okay. Come here on the stage. Mr. Lowry Crow from Sochen constituency. Sochen constituency pe alang li ki thodu mangro Mr. Lowry Crow. Nale tum RJ lang pame no, pan thek pame no lapen ke pini dakar chap sar tuman ke thek thek tum kali dei kong chok la ke tum an ke thek sar tumas ni tum kam bai lo lapen ki ke pi wala lo Lowry Crow. Alam ni lo alam ni ke Silong macam ni. Number 4, Mr. Ursik Timung from Kupli constituency. Bihari gaon ka ke Pawan Kumar pe chita nama bola lagi. Mr. Ursik Timung. Alam ni bhai chini loge nahi riho ko hai. Riho. Lalong ye cepatan ni nampak hudai lagi.
Riho Jindabad.
Number 5, Mr. Vikram Hanse from Bithung Rengkhama constituency. Vikram Hanse. Number 6, Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar. Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar from Amrek constituency. So let's welcome Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar. Alam ni ano, Mr. Dhanesaram Bhar lo akan ke Wathatlanso LC ko kala lagi General Secretary. Number 7, Mr. Jonathan Intigatthar. Mr. Jonathan Intigatthar, he is from Rongkhan constituency committee. Rongkhan kan ke thudum ano, Mr. Jonathan Intigatthar akan ke itu Mr. Jaya Kathar amu po. Number 8, Mr. Antong Intigatthar from Hamrek constituency committee. Hamrek kan ke thudum ano akan ngala kita asap sobot pensi uni coran. Number 9, Mr. Rajendra Tiso from Amri constituency. Rajendra Tiso, are you present? Present, ma? Rajendra Tiso? I think he's absent. Okay, and number 8 naman ke Chimthong constituency pe Sarin Terong. Alang ibana amen yan punang toklo, alang i party dunudet pustan. Mr. Sarin Terong. Alang lelo Chimthong constituency lo. Lasila karja proman tuman alang itu pagtheko, alang itu hello ke dampan. it's candidato NC itu mah parmana gitu tuh natungo lapen federal itu padahal itu BJP kan kacetan natungo lapen ke dan tribal area apa tribal itu 6 security pangtanai undang kerja biasa sonja tuh tribal pasti ada itu mulai itu bicara dengan ini rumah itu cuma ini polima coba yoi lapen ke martina $50 ada itu nanggung deh kalau kita ala itu bah ini tuh bisa ya kan mata ini kacarda ala itu bah ini tuh ningarok kan arjo bangsa. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so itu masa karena lulun di oleh soal sih. Ya, ini ada pasti itu sih bisa welcome. Ya, ini.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thưa phép đơn giản, câu lúc nào we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Aku ibu nanti coba loh, kita nanti sendiri lagi masih.